Okay, let's start the process. Press the up volume and the power button at the same time, like this. Press the both like this. Up volume, power button. Let me show you. Like this. Press and hold on them. When you see the screen light, leave the power button. When you see the screen light, leave the power button, or your phone battery, leave the power button. Now we are going to select recovery and press down button. Select recovery, the first one, and press the down button like this. Now press the up and the down button at this and up the power button at the same time, like this. Press them. Sometimes you must press them like 2 to 5 times before it will come to 20 times. It depends on your phone. So now use the down volume to move, and power as working, and select factory reset. Factory reset. Factory reset. What data factory reset, and press the power and select yes by press the power. After select yes, press the power, and now press the power to reboot your phone. Thank you to watch this video. Make sure you subscribe and check the link below the description how to bypass Tecno Pop 2 without PC. Thank you again.